How to watch TikTok videos offline without internet. Now, to go and watch TikTok videos offline, we first need to head over to our profile page. You can then click on the navigation bar in the top right-hand side, click on Settings and Privacy, and then scroll down to where it says Offline Videos and click on this. And now what we can do is download videos so we can watch them offline. Now you can select how many videos you want to download. I'll be selecting 200. And then press download. So now what you can do is go and watch 200 videos, completely offline without any internet. As you can see in the bottom here, I'm in offline mode. And if you want to go and clear these and get another 200 fresh videos to start watching, you can just come back over to offline videos, click on the settings wheel in the top right-hand side, and then where it says downloads, just click on clear and press the clear button. You can then press download offline videos again. Go and select the amount of videos and press download. And it will now start downloading another 200 videos that you can watch offline. So that's it, guys.